Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fade sound and Inshot. Here's a 7-step guide to fading sound and Inshot. First, launch the Inshot app on your Android device and open the video you want to edit by tapping Video. Go to Music tab. Tap on the audio option from the toolbar at the bottom. Choose the audio track. Go to the Music tab. In the Music tab, choose the audio track, like music or sound, that you've already added or want to add. Then hit Use. Tap on the audio track. Once you've added the audio, tap the audio track on the timeline, then choose it. Then tap on Edit. Choose Fade In or Fade Out. A menu will appear at the bottom with options. Tap on the Fade In or Fade Out option, depending on which fade effect you want to apply. Adjust the fade duration. After selecting Fade, you can adjust the duration of the fade effect by dragging the slider. This controls how fast or slow the audio fades in or out. Save the video. Once you are satisfied with the fade effect, tap the check mark, then hit Export in the top right corner to export your video with the faded sound. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.